Welcome to Techliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. So at first open up your Microsoft PowerPoint, and after open the PowerPoint just open up any document. After open the document just click on slideshow tab, and on the setup option you can find record, then just click on record. Now here you can find two options, from current slide, from beginning. Now I am select from beginning. And after that you can see this interface, and here you can see there are two slides in my document. At first make sure that you have a microphone in your PC, so just click on three dots, and here you can see microphone option, then just click here and then select your connected microphone, and here you can see start recording button. If you want to start your recording just click here, and you can see it's starting, and here you can see recording has been started successfully, and here you can see the animations, and that's it. Now if you want to stop your recording just click on this stop button. Also if you want to highlight anything just select marker from here. If I select this pen or marker, here you can see highlighter, and then choose any color, and that's it. Now if you want to stop your recording just click on this stop button, and then click on export, and then select any folder. Just click on browse option and then click on export. You can see it's exporting your video. Now just close the window. Now if I open the same folder again, and that's it. Here you can see the video. That's it. And that is how you can record a presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.